Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you love watching unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, this is going to be a short and quick little video. This is my Lip Monthly for the month of June. Now, for those of you who don't know about Lip Monthly, I'll keep this short and sweet also. Super simple, 4 to 5 lip products every month, $12.95, free shipping. Now, they have a special running right now where if you go on their website, I was just on there, and they said for your first bag, it will only cost you $5, and you use the code JUNE5 in the checkout. So definitely take advantage of that if you are interested in Lip Monthly. And I also have a referral link that if you would like to use that also, I will leave that down below. But I think if you use my referral link, it'll be $7.95. So it would probably be a better deal for you to use the June 5 code for the month of June 2020. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into this. Now they used to come in little makeup bags like Ipsy, but now they're using these little drawstring satchels, and this is very cute. It has like a purple velvety feel, so I can always use these satchels. They come in very handy. I put all kind of makeup in this. I put my jewelry in this. I stick all kind of things, so I really love having these. Okay, so it looks like I have 5 products on, or 5 products in the bag. And also, before I begin, I wanted to tell you, I've been watching Mare of All Trades, and she does her lipstick of the day. So since this is a lipstick subscription, I thought I would share with you the one I'm wearing today. It is Steve Laurent, and this is called Bestie, the color Bestie. So I thought I would share that for you. And Meredith from Mare of All Trades, check her channel out if you do not know her. She has a fabulous unboxing channel too. Okay, so the first one is this one, and there is no card in this bag. So I'm just going to go straight into and show you the products. And this is from Lartizy, and this is a lip gloss. I've never even heard of that company. Has anyone heard of that company before? Well, let's see what the color is. The color is called, if I can read it, oh, it's a nude. Okay, very good. Let's see what shade of nude. Oh, this is pretty good. I like this. That is a very nice color. I'll swatch this one because I know I'm definitely going to keep this one. So that's the shade. That's the way it looks. That's this one in nude. Lartizy. Here, let me take this off so I can put all my products back here and you guys can see what I got. So we got a lip gloss, and we'll go ahead and put the satchel back here too. And now the next one out looks like a lip liner. And this is, oh, no, it's an eyeliner. So I guess they are not doing all lip products. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this. Always need lip or eyeliners. About to say lip liner. I always need lip liners too, but I have plenty of lip liners and eyeliners, but you know what? I will use it. And this is from the company Manna, M-A-N-N-A, and it's in jet black. So I will also swatch this. Oh, I pressed too hard and broke it, folks. Be careful of that, and don't let too much come out. I had it way too long. but it went on very nicely, nice and velvety, There's the line. Just a nice black jet, black eyeliner. So we'll put that right there. Let's see, we'll put them up there. There, that way you can see them a little bit better. Now this looks like it's going to be a lip balm, and this is from the company Portland. And this says supporting urban bees and their keepers. Okay, so very good. I always need lip balm. I stick those in my purse all the time. That's, look, I was about to go smell. Like this is a smell-o-vision. It has a menthol-y smell. Is that the word, menthol? Yeah, it's gonna be your basic lip balm. So very nice. Okay, and then we have another product, and this is a gel lip color. Oh, good. And this is from the company Cargo. And the color is, I don't know if that's the color name, Manhattan. Let's see what it looks like. It says, this Latimar lightweight gel lip color delivers buildable coverage that feels comfortable and is never drying. Once applied, the hydrating formula helps moisturize and protect lips. So let's see what this looks like. Well, I just ripped this box right open, so I think I'm keeping this one too. Oh, it's a nice container. Cargo. So let's see what this is gonna look like. Oh, lovely. Oh, I'm getting some good colors. You know, I've been seeing some unboxings of this lately, and some people have been getting some funky colors, but luckily I am not one of them. So that is a very, very beautiful color. I really love that one. And that would go good with the lip gloss too. Like put the lip gloss over that. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. I really love that color. Okay, and we have one more lipstick. Wow, and this looks like a beautiful color too. And I've had lipsticks from this company before, and the name of the company is... Now, I had stopped my Lip Monthly for a little bit because I was getting so many product buildup. But I restarted it again, even though I still do have a lot of lip products. But I like lip products, you know? But anyway, okay, I got this one open, and this is from the company Appeal. Here. Beautiful, beautiful container. That's the way it looks. Oh, another beautiful color. These are all my colors right here. Well, some people have been getting funky colors, like I said, but I don't know why, and I'm loving the colors I received this month. So that is what I received for $12.95. I received a lip gloss, a lip balm, eyeliner, and 2 great colored lipsticks, and those are $12.95. Now remember, like I said, I went on their website and they said if you use the code June5 with the number 5 for your first month, you only pay $5. So take advantage of that, guys, if you are interested in this box. That's a really good deal. Okay, and also I just got done recording my Mint Mongoose. If you guys are liking this jewelry, I will leave a link up here or over here, whatever corner, I always forget, but you'll see a little letter I. Click on that and it'll take you to my new Mint Mongoose. Okay guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.